a farmer. He is working very hard in my family. He was paid the fees for my school.
Start.
My father's name is Sri Mahanikam. He is a matron. He looked to the education process. He is a hard work from family. My father's hand is very hard because he is a matron from serving. My father has seen a monthly working.
My God, I am my husband. My father is help me all the time. I like my father. My father is love me. My father is working on Dubai. Daddy, okay.
My most lovable person is my father. My father is working hard in my family. My father is my special hero. He is my lucky charm in my life. He is a farmer. My father's name is Sri. My father and daddy are my help. I love my father.
My father is kindful. My father is very hard worker. My father is very patient. I love my father. My father is my special hero. My father is the wonderful of person.
My father name is Rafi Raman. He is a mechanical. My father is very good. My father loves my family.
My father's name is Mohammed Shekhar. He is a driver. My father is kind. He is important in my family. My father name is Mahesh Prabhu. My father pays the school fees. My father is a parent. I love him. I love my father. My father very careful. My father very my father is very hard work to my family. My father is my world. My father care my family. My father advised me. And my father is kindly. I love my father.
My father name is Rafi. I love my father. I love my father very much. He is good of my life. My hero is me. My father name is Mani Anjan. He will tell me a lot. He will cook well. Weekly once he will make a chicken for me. He will spend time for more.
My father name is Mr. Akapani, and I proudly say he was a farmer. He is